Alright, y'all. I'm going to show y'all one of my strongest fishing knots. Just like a simple slip knot, but I'm going to show you how to do it. And it's been a good knot and ain't never failed me. So check this out. Alright, y'all. Grab me a lure. It's a Odie. Run it through the eye. If I can get it through the eye. Right through your eye here. Like that. Grab your line, just get that lure out of the way. Okay. You want to make you a loop, just grab that end right here. Want to run that up through, other end of your line up through, grab it, and you want to run it back through the hole. And I like to grab it with my little finger here, my middle finger, and it's going to make like a figure 8. You want to leave it right there for now. You want to get your lure. You want to run it right through that hole. Like that. And grab the other end of your line. Just gotta watch your hooks, because sometimes they get jacked. Okay, tighten it up a little bit. Then you just bring it right down to your lure. Like that. Just like that. And there you have it. Call that the skeeter knot. That's like a slip knot. Then you just want to trim that end off. Like that, and just bite the wrong end and start over. Alright. I know y'all, I bit off the wrong end, but hey, it's a good knot. Try it. See you on the water. Later.